Hi everyone, it's great to see you. I am back again with the Clematis vine. I know that I just made a video on this Clematis, but it is 2 days later and look at the difference. This is amazing and it's just what I had hoped for. All of the Sea Breeze Vancouver Clematis blossoms are in bloom now too. Those are these bluish purple blossoms, and I have the little mermaid in pink, and this is exactly what I was hoping would happen. It has just all grown together and all the pink and purple blossoms are intermingled. You can't tell which vine is which, and they're blooming at the same time, which I really lucked out at because I didn't know if that would happen or not. So I just had to share this quick update with you. It's just so pretty, and we had pouring rain yesterday. I thought that this whole thing might just be over with. What a great surprise. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.